Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Sheikh Anisa Firdaus.
Myself Sania.
I am studying RE 8th class. Today my project name is solar panel.
Solar panels are devices that convert light electricity. They are called solar panels because most of the time and the most of the power resources available in the sun.
जब सूरज की किरणें सोलर पैनल के ऊपर पड़ते तो करंट आता. जब सूरज चले जाता तो इसमें भी करंट चले जाता. इसलिए जब सूरज की किरणें सोलर पैनल के ऊपर पड़ते तो जब करंट चले जाता तो इसलिए हमें ये मशीन में स्टोर कर लेके रख ले सकते. स्टोर कर लिए तो हमें एग्रीकल्चर होम्स के वास्ते इस्तेमाल कर सकते. इससे करंट की बचत होती है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम
रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Saleha, I am studying second class. The baking soda and the vinegar create an acid-base reaction, and the two chemicals work together to create a gas, carbon dioxide. Gases need a lot of room to spread out, and the carbon dioxide start to fill the bottle and then moves into the balloon to inflate it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself am Ramiza. I am from 6th standard. Today my project name is traffic rules. Traffic rules: keep left, stop at red light, be ready at yellow light, go only when the light is green, always walk on footpath. We have compulsorily to follow traffic rules to avoid accidents. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Arshia. I am studying 6th class. Today my project name is volcano. Volcano is the phenomena and earth surface and melt down rock and the in the earth surface explaining volcano in the outside on the outside vent opening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Aisha Siddiqa. I am from second class.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Rahila. I am studying 5th class. This is water cycle. The water cycle is the process by which water moves around the earth. Water moves between streams, rivers, lakes, around, underground, seepage, seas, water vapor in the air, and clouds in the sky. In this way, matter is transferred around the water cycle. Since water cycle itself matter. Thank you.